y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another May I Scraplift You for day 9. And I have chosen to scrap lift Kathy Price of Kathy Loves to Scrap. I recently participated in her 500 celebration hop, and I got to scrap lift another one of her layouts. So this time I picked this one, and I love how it's monochromatic. It has hexagons, it has bees. Like, I love, 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 love it. And last I checked, she had 582 subscribers, so definitely go over and check her out and show her some love. I'm sure she's trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark now, her next big goal. And I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I'm using my Simple Vintage Life in Bloom from Simple Stories. And my original plan was to lift this super, super close. I wanted to do it monochromatic, but I'm trying to use my kits, as y'all know, and it just didn't quite work out with the kits I had picked. So I had to pivot a little bit, and I'm going to use this, and it's going to be crazy with lots of patterns. I'm still using the basis of it, where you have the part going across and then the hexagons and all that stuff. So let's get busy and put this together. I'm still struggling with my allergies, so I will probably fast forward and just add music to lots of this. But I hope that you guys can see and that it will inspire you regardless. I guess I should tell y'all what I have to work with. I cut a bunch of cut-aparts and pieces from the collection, and I am scrapbooking this picture of Brooke when she was 3. She was just standing out by our little pond that we made, enjoying life. It was summertime. And I have all these hexagons I cut out. I have some that I cut out from a different layout, and it's just the negative of it. And I am using this, I know it's probably hard to see, but I'm using this hexagon stencil. And then I cut out, I'd cut out a bunch of white, because I thought white would go better with all the pink in the backgrounds. And so the reverse side of the butterflies is this one that I'm using. So I just cut out the corner pieces, fussy cut, so that I could pop them up and give it a little more dimension to it. So that's kind of where my head's at. Alright, so that's going to be the layout. You guys can see how I just glued everything down. These were really random. Nothing is perfect. Gave a little bit of dimension by popping this up. Have my title on, and that leaves me a little spot to just write the year in here. And I took the inspiration. It doesn't look anything like Kathy's, but hopefully you can see where the inspiration came from. So, definitely go over and check out Kathy. Check out and see what everyone else is doing with their kits this month on how to kill a kit with style. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.